art kept me out of jail. Why? And how did art keep you out of jail?
I guess it is also in the exhibition in the sense there was probably in my life 2 ways to go. To become an artist or to become a gangster. I was often as a young guy arrested for burglary, fights. And it's through the love and the passion for drawing that made me go to the Academy of Beaux-Arts. And there I discovered all the rules, all the things. My master became beauty. And this changed the course of my life. But still, there is still this fascination. And you see also this in the exhibition, the fascination, for example, the topic about Jacques Mesrine, the French gangster. In the late 70s, one of the first portraits in the 78, 77, I made about Jacques Mesrine. He was a kind of state-standing #1. He was a kind of consciousness of the left thinking, you could say, in France. He was killed in the late 70s without any trial by 20 police guards in the middle of Paris. He was one of the best escape artists. He almost metamorphosed himself, transformed himself to rob banks or to escape in jail. So this topic in a sense I was always fascinated by it. I think essentially this topic comes back in my work also, the idea of metamorphosing, transforming, the taking of risk, the subversivity that's in the work. And I think there are some kind of consonances between, let's say, the gangster and the artist, you could say. And Art Kept Me Out of Jail is an old title from a performance I did in New York in 1981. And I gave this title also to the performance in the Louvre, because I could not use from the official government a title which referring to Jacques Mesrine, because Jacques Mesrine was still considered as a kind of non-character, a kind of somebody who still represents a kind of enemy of the French state. And that's the reason I called the performance Art Kept Me Out of Jail, where you see pictures from here. It's always a kind of disguises and metamorphosing. Beards, glasses, jackets. And the topic of this performance, where you see also a movie here in the exhibition, it's about escaping out of the best prison in France, the Louvre.
So we are at the exhibition, within the exhibition opening, officially opening tonight at 7 o'clock. We are presenting also 3 big video installations which summarize your 3 performances from the last 10 years. So all 3 videos include, as you mentioned, metamorphosis and also insects. So what do insects symbolically represent for you? And another question, why do you appear as a stag beetle? And Marina Abramovic, you were working with as a wasp.
Like I think more people know already, I'm an amateur entomologist. I was quite influenced by the writings of Jean-Marie Fabre, the French entomologist #1 in the world. He wrote all the standard works. I had heritage from manuscripts and books as a young guy. I was really fascinated by his prosa. And myself also as an amateur was always fascinated by insects. Why insects? Because essentially insects are the oldest computers in the world. They're the radars of human mankind, you could say. And of course when you study insects, the way they adapt, survive, the way they're built, you know, we humans have an inner skeleton, insects have an outer skeleton. All these links and consonants between is really interesting to develop new kind of methods and visions to create new sculptures or installations. The other part of the question is why me and Marina are dressed in also in the other performance. You have one film called Sanguis Mantis, It's a movie, it's a performance of 5 hours long. At the end of the performance I was fainting. They had to carry me to the hospital because I was breathing 5 hours long into metal. And the metal made me poisoned in my body, so I fainted. They had to bring me away. And I also took a lot of blood during the course of 5 hours to write a manifest about art. The manifest is shown also, and the manifest is called "You will never get used to art. You will never do." And with Marina, and also the topic with Marina, because Marina asked me years to learn a kind of your performance, and we choose the topic of the Virgin Warrior. I decided to avontuur, to say metal skins, to out skeletons. For me and Marina, during this performance for the Virgin Warrior, because we were